Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to swap two numbers using Python. In this video, we will see four different techniques to swap two numbers. So first technique is using temporary variables, third variable. Then second and third technique, we will see different arithmetic operations to swap numbers. Then using one line code with tuple. So let's start it. So first of all, take two variables a and b and assign the values 10 and 20 and try to print this. So at output we get 10 and 20. So now very first technique, using temporary variable, we try to swap these values. So now take third variable temp and assign the a's value. So currently a has 10 value. So now temp has 10 value. Then keep b's value into a. So currently b has 20. So current a value is 20. Now now put temp's value into b. So currently temp has the value 10. So we need to put this into way. So as this way, current value is 10 put into b. Now try to run this code. So we can see before swapping we have 10 and 20. After swapping, these are 20 and 10. So this one is the first technique using third variable. Now we will see a second technique, which one different arithmetic operations. So you can see here we perform first addition and store into a. So currently a has 10 and 20. So 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. A has 30 value. Now perform subtractions. Now a has 30 and b has 20. So now b get 10, and at last perform subtraction. So currently a has 30 and b has 10. So 10. So we'll get 20. So currently a has 20 and b has 10. So as per the our program logic, we'll get swap value after execution. So try to run this code. So if you try to run this code, so using arithmetic operations, we able to swap this number. You can see here previous value, and after swap the values are get swapped. So using arithmetic operators, we can swap this value. Now we'll see using multiplication and division operators how we can swap. So let's comment this and comment out this. So first of all, the current values are a has 10 and 20. So we'll get 200. Keep this into a. Then a has 200 and b currently b has the 20. So we'll get 10. Now last, so here a has currently 200 and divide b has 10. So we'll get 20. So as per the logic of the code, we'll get swap value at output. So try to run this code. So we will get the expected output as before swapping values are 10 and 20, and we get after swapping 20 and 10. So as this way, using arithmetic operators, we can swap two values using this logic. Now last we'll see how to swap two values using tuple in one line code. So here suppose this one is the tuple A and this one is the tuple B, and now we assigning the values like for tuple A B and tuple B as a. So as per the logic, we'll get the swap value. So let's try to run this code. Yeah, so before swapping our values are 10 and 20, and after swapping we get the values are 20 and 10. So as this way, using tuple in one line code, we can swap two values. So in this video we've seen 4 different techniques to swap the values in the Python. So that's it.